Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Lycamobile eSIM. So if you don't know what this is, an eSIM is basically a SIM that you can take internationally. So for example, you have AT&T in America, and if you take that AT&T into another country, for example like Japan, that AT&T SIM won't work. So basically an eSIM is like you can use it in any country that they offer or have coverage over. So for example, you have in America, and then you go to Japan, and if Japan and America are covered by the eSIM, you can still use and access the internet from there. So that's how eSIMs work. So as you can see, they have it here on their website, and Leica is known to be cheap, a cheap alternative to eSIMs and a cheap plan for internet. So let's see the reviews here for their eSIM, and as you can see, they rated 3.2 out of 5 stars. And out of the reviews here, only a few customers have actually said about the eSIM. So this person said, "Terrible experience with Lycamobile eSIM. I bought a Lycamobile eSIM ahead of my trip to Sweden, thinking it would be a convenient option. I registered and paid all the required fees, but the eSIM never worked. No internet, no incoming or outgoing calls, not even access to Lycamobile's own support number. I tried contacting customer service by email and received no response at all. I needed internet access urgently while in France, but the service completely failed me. It feels like a scam. Everything looked fine until the payment was complete, then nothing worked. Very disappointing. I do not recommend Lycamobile, especially for travelers relying on eSIMs." So as you can see, they actually replied here. So this person said, "Bundle not working, no response from my customer support for a week, and then I paid a 235 Korea to buy a bundle for 3 months." So this person is also talking about the eSIM. "I didn't been receiving the OTP code. Can't access my bus ticket." And this person is also talking about the eSIM. And then right here, this person is actually talking about the SIM also, bad customer service, and basically a lot of people are talking bad about the eSIM. So if you're trying to get into an eSIM, maybe you should try other different brands like Saley or different I don't know what other brands or the top brands out there for the eSIM. I recommend using Saley since it is the most reliable, which I've used myself. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.